Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a March recap video within seconds in the CapCut mobile. So if you want to make a March dump trend or March recap video, you can just use CapCut templates to make it easier for you. So click on the templates and here search for the templates at the top by typing in March recap 2024. Okay, so after you click on that, there will be lots of option of March recap or dump that you can use to create your own recap video. So just select the one that you like. I think I'm going to use this one. Just click on the use template and add the photos or videos that you want. So after you select the photos or videos, just click on next and there will be a preview first before you download the or your match dump or recap videos. And if you're satisfied with the result, you can just click on the export at the top right corner and then it will be saved to your gallery. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.